Exercise 15. The volume of a right circular cylinder. So, let's begin. I, at least, always prefer to have the shape in front of me. So, this is a right cylinder and it talks about volume. The volume is found in Blue Book in references and it should be equal to pi r squared times h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. So the volume is, in this case, 540. And the base of the cylinder has an area. The area of base is 45. Now, if you look closer, the formula of the volume, you would see that is pi r squared and then multiplied by h. That pi r squared is basically the area of a circle. And where did we find the circle? Well, a cylinder has a circular base. So this pi r squared is clearly the area of the cylinder's base. So the pi r squared is 45 and we need to find the height, which means that 540, which is the volume, should be equal to 45 times height. Here, by dividing both sides by 45, I get that the height would be the quotient of 540 over 45. Now let's go to Desmos. 540 divided by 45. The right answer is 12, and that's B.